Welcome to the Old German Word of the Week, where we dredge up relics from the murky depths of time. Today we'll take a look at Altreiß. An Altreiß is a cobbler who repairs shoes or sells used shoes. Altreiß. Altreiß. Here you can see the word in Old German print, Old German handwriting, Modern German handwriting, and Modern German print. As mentioned earlier, Altreiß translates to shoe repairman and not necessarily to cobbler, as the Altreiß would not deal in new shoes. Here's an example. Altreiß werden die Schuhflicker genannt. Altreiß is what those shoe repairmen are called. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in having your old German documents translated, please visit genialabs.com/translations for more information. If you like this video, please let us know by clicking on the appropriate button below. If you've heard or seen this word used, please do share your example with us. We'd love to learn more. And be sure to come back next week for another word pulled from the mists of time.